Okay, we're looking at the weather. Sunny weather means when the sun is bright outside, you can't see clouds. It's bright and it's warm and the sun is shining clearly. Rainy weather means there's water falling from the sky. It's raining. Cloudy weather is when there are clouds covering the sun, so you can't see the sun, but it's not raining either. Windy weather is when there's air blowing. When it's hot, you can't wear many layers of clothing. It's very, very warm. There's a burning feeling. When it's cold, you want to wear as many layers as possible. It's a very chilling feeling. Okay. Snow is the white, slightly frozen flakes that fall from the sky in the cold weather. Stormy weather or thunderstorms is when there's rain, there's thunder. Are loud noises like claps from the sky. And then there's also lightning. Lightning is an electrical current that flashes through the sky. Warm weather is when the weather is pleasant. We would also call when a cloud is covering the sun, we would also call it partial sun. Dry weather is when there's very little rain, there's very little moisture. Um, Plants around you are dying because they're not getting the water they need. That kind of dry, crackly weather. Foggy means that there's this thick, watery gas that is covering the air that makes it so you can't see clearly. Lightning is an electrical current that flashes through the sky in a thunderstorm. A tornado or a hurricane is a natural disaster where wind travels in a circular motion very quickly and it basically, because it's moving so quickly, it's able to absorb or attract a bunch of, or suck in a bunch of different items nearby, or people, or places, or like houses or cars. It's able to absorb all of them. Okay, so let's do some practice. How is the weather? This weather is cold, and we know that because on the thermometer we see that the temperature is very low. What's the weather like? It's snowy, and we know this because we see snowflakes falling. How's the weather? It's cloudy, and we know this because we see clouds, but we don't see the sun. How's the weather? It's windy, and we know this because we see wind or air making this turbine. A turbine is basically this pinhead shape, and it's making it move. How's the weather? It's raining. We know this because there are water droplets falling because you need an umbrella an umbrella is a cover for the rain. How's the weather? It's sunny and we know this because the sun is shining brightly. How do we know what's the weather? How's the weather? It's hot. And how do we know this? Because we see that the thermometer is pretty high, so we know it's hot. What's the weather like? It's stormy and there are thunderstorms. How do we know this? Well, we know this because there's rain and because there's lightning. Okay,